Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I promised you today on April 30th, 2020 that I was going to give you the phone number, extension, and the time to call unemployment to reach a live person. So today is that day, April 30th, 2020. So I'm in Massachusetts, so keep this in mind. But I think the time will work for any state, but I'm not sure. You can try yours, okay? So in Massachusetts, you can dial this number to reach unemployment. 617-626-6338. 617-626-6338. I'm going to say it one more time. 617-626-6338. Okay, and then you want to push number 2. You know how it says if you want this, push 1. If you want this, push 2. Push number 2. Okay, that's what I pushed. Okay, and the time to call, this is the crucial one, at 9 o'clock. So I start dialing at 5 minutes to 9. 5 minutes to 9. And if you wait until after 10 o'clock a.m., they don't answer the phone. Okay, so you have to wake up and start and be ready to dial by 5 minutes to 9. And once you press 2, it'll say, hold on please, or one will be with you shortly. You know you're in. Just hold on. Do not hang up. So, you know, if your phone is low on the battery, make sure you have that plugged in already so that nothing interrupts that call, right? So that you can get that call through. All right, so that's the number, and I'll say it one more time before I finish here. So the main thing is to have all of your questions written down before you call. That way you don't forget anything. Or let's say you had a question about something on the computer, have that screen open to your page where you have your client information so that you can immediately go right there. Because one thing that happened with me, they told me to go to that page, and luckily I had that open, so it wasn't like a long wait with me trying to get that loaded up on the computer. So that's what you want to do. You want to have everything ready to go, okay? And a pencil and paper would help too, so that you can write down who you talked to and what they said. Because sometimes you may forget everything that they said. And so if you're forgetting as they're talking, they may talk fast or slow, I don't know. You want to say, well, 1 second, let me just write that down. That you said what? And so that you have all of your information written down so that you have something to look back to. If they tell you to go to certain spots on the computer while they're walking you through the process, remember how you got there, okay? Because this is your one and golden opportunity. So, you know, I'm trying to help you as much as I can. And so I need you guys to do me a favor. Give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to this channel, you should subscribe, because I am bringing you information that you need, and I'm working hard for you over here. And so I would like for you to work hard for me as well. And I'd like you to do one other thing. Share the video. This is very, very, very important, because, you know, there's millions out there on unemployment. And you can do your part by sharing this video to help them, okay? And it also helps me. And comment if you have any questions or any concerns. You know, maybe you have a question that you couldn't get through to ask your question. You may want to ask me, and maybe the next time I'll be able to get through and come back with the answer for you. You see how hard I'm working over here for you? I'm working hard for you, okay? Because I love you like that, all right? So again, remember to be calm, courteous. They're working for you, so don't be rude to them or anything like that. And main thing you want to find out is when are you going to get your pay, or whatever your issue or concerns are, right? So make sure that you do that. And stay safe. Massachusetts is still on lockdown. They said that the government is trying to open up some places starting on May 19th. Okay, so we'll see. We'll see how that goes. So meanwhile, keep us in your prayers, and I'm going to give you that number and date one more time. Okay, so today is April 30th, 2020, and I promised you, Grandma Ray promised you, okay, that she was going to give you the phone number to unemployment, the extension number, and the time to call so that you can get your call through to a live person. So again, you're going to call 617 is the area code, 626-6338. 617-626-6338. 617-626-6338. Okay? Alright, love you. I'll talk to you soon, okay? Be safe. Bye-bye.